Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. Before we start, I just want to mention that I do have a discount code on Dip UK website. It's Grace20. You will get 20% discount on your total purchase. So I will be putting all the information down in the description box if you are interested. So moving on to the video. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and these are from the brand Dip UK. And here are the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is in the shade the Maldives. And this is a solid blue-green color. Next is the shade Diamonds, and this is a very sparkly silver glitter. And the last shade is Mom's Bouquet, and this is a floral chunky bits in a clear base. And I finally have their dip powder liquids. So here are the complete set. So they have step 1 base, step 2 activator, step 3 top coat, and step 4 brush saver. So for today, I will be using their base as well as their activator. And I just want to mention that their activator is 50 ml, so it's a lot bigger compared to the other liquids. And also it comes in a spray bottle, which is very interesting. And today I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat instead of their top coat, just because you know I am not really a big fan of the powder top coat. So to start off, I will be applying my nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will remove the natural oil on my nails. Next, I move on to the step 1 base, and I apply a thin layer of this on my nail, and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then top off the excess. So I will be using the shade the Maldives on my pointy, pinky, and thumb. So first thing that I noticed with their base is that it's very thin and it doesn't dry very quick, which I really appreciate because it gives me time to clean the cuticle area. Anyway, I'll let you guys watch me do 3 coats of this shade and I'll be back. So once I'm finished with the Maldives, I brush off all the excess powder, and then I move on to the next shade, which is Diamonds. So I will be applying this on my middle nail, and again I will be applying 3 coats of this. This shade is really pretty and the powder is really fine. So if you are looking for a silver sparkly glitter, then I recommend you should check out this shade. It's called Diamond. So once I'm finished with the sparkly glitter, I'll move on to the next shade, which is Mom's Bouquet, and I will be applying this on my ring nail. This shade has a lot of floral chunky bits, so with my first coat, I dip my nail into the powder just to build up the base of my nail, and then I brush off the excess powder and move on to my next coat. So with my second coat, I lay my nail on top, so I do this method to get the chunky bits on my nail. And the next, I cover it with plastic and gently press my nails. This will help to flatten up the chunky bits. So then I brush off the excess powder and move on to the next layer. So I just tap my pot a little bit just to move the floral bits on top, and then I did my third coat with the same method. So once I'm finished with the third coat, I brush off the excess powder and then I move on to my clear powder. This step is very important, especially with the glitters and the chunky floral bits, because it will protect your beautiful design from filing and buffing. So once I'm finished clear encapsulating my nails, I brush off all the excess powder and then I move on to the activator. So I spray generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. And then after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera. So now I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe Top Coat. So I apply 2 layers of this on my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This one is optional. You can always use your deep powder top coat if you want to. Next, I apply cuticle oil to rehydrate my nails, and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.